आराम टेन्शन म्हटलं सगळ्या गर्दी करू नका हो तर बाहेर नाही का दिसत होतं आज घे ना बाहेर एकदम किती करता हा घेता बाहेर या तो पुढे 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 प्रदीप तेवढे ओके चालू
Not more than 5 people.
Yeah.
एक minute.
Today we have filed the nomination. What would you like to say?
Well, we are going through a normal democratic process where you have to file your nomination, and I have filed my nomination, 2 sets of nomination papers today. And after that, as you know, there will be scrutiny, and then the final list will be drawn. But even before that, our campaigning has already started. And what is important is your traction with the people. आम्ही ह्या दिसांनी हांव चड करून गेले 9 दीस हाऊस टू हाऊस भोंवता. हें म्हाजें 7वें इलेक्शन आनी म्हाका दिसता जे लोकां कडेन रेस्पॉन्स हांवें पळयला जो आमी म्हणटा इट इज अ ओवरवेल्मिंग रेस्पॉन्स. क्लीन स्वीप कशें जावपाची शक्यता हे फाटी दाबोलीम आसा. I am afraid my opponents from whichever party they may belong, they may lose their deposits. In fact, it's not a question of winning as far as my opponents are concerned in Dabolim constituency. It's a question of they saving their deposits and saving their little bit of whatever standing they have. What I want to say is, I think this is basically happening because as their legislator for the last 6 terms, and the 7th term which I am contesting, it is based on performance, it is based on delivery, it is based on doing people's work, it is based on giving government schemes, and moreover backed by one of the largest democratic party and by a tallest leader in the country, Narendra Modi ji, and the after whatever you say, the after effects or the all effects I should say, as far as his leadership is concerned, I think it ultimately percolates to the states, and whoever the leader, he gets benefit of that. We have seen how BJP has done tremendous work as far as Goa is concerned. थोड्या फुडें दिसता, सो ती पावती कशी लोक तुका फारी करता. दाबोलीम सदां दाबोलीम फर्स्ट म्हणटा. इट इज नॉट फॉर नथींग दाबोलीम फर्स्ट ते म्हणटा. काम जाल्लें आसा, लोकां कडेन बरो संबंद उरलो आसा. एक कठीण परिस्थिती येयली तेन्ना सुद्दां पॅन्डेमिकाची लोकां मऱ्यान आमी रावले. लोकांनी पळयलां कितें तेंची सेवा जाली. आमच्या सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान सगळ्यान बेस्ट वेवस्था जाल्ली. कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अंडर जे नासली ती सुविधा तांकां क्रोरांनी पयशे पडले पूण तांकां करून दिली आनी आज ते लोकां आसा आनी लोकांक दिसता. हे भाशेन हांव उलोवपाक गेल्यार आनी सांगपाक गेल्यार ते लिस्ट काबारूच जावपा ना कितली कामां केल्या ती. म्हाका दिसता हें लोकांक बरे भाशेन खबर आहा आनी ताका लागून तुमी पळयता इतले रेस्पॉन्स लोकां कडेन मेळटा. कोवीड प्रोटोकॉल्स आहा. आवर कॅम्पेनिंग इज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड. ऑफकोर्स इट इज सेम फॉर एवरीबडी, बट आय थिंक वी आर अ लिटल बीट रेस्ट्रेंड. ओली हाऊस टू हाऊस 5 जाणां व्हरपा जाता, आतां 10 जाणां व्हरपा जाता. इवन कॉर्नर मिटींग घेवपा जायना. मातशे त्रास पडटा पूण तरी आसतना लोकांचो सपोर्ट दिसूं येता आनी सारको म्हाका हांव म्हणपाक शकता की चडान चड सपोर्ट लोकांचो वयल्यान वाडत आसा. एक लार कशें तयार जाता. वी से waves are developing. It will sweep the opposition away.
Sir, you are the first one to file the nomination in Murmugaon Taluka. So your reaction to that?
Filing nomination
today
first does not mean anything special, but one thing special is there. वारो जो दाबोली जाता तो आख्खे मुर्मुगांव पसरता आनी तो वारो आख्खे मुर्मुगांव पसरले कारणान हांव गेले ते खेपे जॉइन जाले तेन्ना 4 सीट बीजेपी येयल्ले. हे पाटी परिस्थिती तीच जातली. आनी बरे प्रमाणान जातली. जोरां आनी लारां सगळे कडेन दाबोलेसून ते सायडी कुट्टाडे वयतली, हे सायडी वास्को वयतले आनी सड्यारूय पावतले.
सर कुट्टाळे सीट अजूनही डिक्लेअर करून
ती पार्टी डिसायड करतले. अल्टिमेटली पार्टी विल डिसायड एंड पार्टी इज कॉन्टेस्टिंग इन ऑल 40 सीट्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम in the history of Goa.
But have you suggested any name in the Kuttali media?
Yeah, that is between the party and me. I would not like to make it public. But I know ultimately BJP will emerge triumphant in all the 4 seats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.